In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Xbox Fortnite account to Epic Games. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you the proper method of transferring your progress from any platform to Xbox or from an Xbox to any other platform. So in order to manage the connections established with your Epic Games account, you have to visit the official Fortnite website. So go to fortnite.com. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to sign into your account. So click the option to sign in at the top right and then click on your name once more. Now, you will see on this drop-down menu the option to connect accounts. Select this and you will be redirected into this page. Now you can manage all of the accounts that have been connected to your Epic Games account. If you already have the Xbox account connected, then you are good to go. If you want to play on PC, just sign into this same Epic Games account, or if you want to transfer your progress over to different platforms, such as a PlayStation or a Nintendo Switch, connect the accounts here respectively. But if you don't have the Xbox connection established, just click on the option to connect underneath it. Now, I already have all my accounts connected, so I'm going to use Twitch as an example. When you click connect underneath any of these accounts, you will be able to confirm the email address of your Epic Games account, and if everything looks okay, you can go ahead and choose the option to connect. Once you click connect, you will be redirected into the respective platform. So for example, if you chose to connect an Xbox account, you will be redirected into the Xbox website to finish this process. If you chose to connect a PlayStation Network account, you will be redirected to the PlayStation website, and so on. After you input the credentials of your Xbox account, you are good to go. And like I said, if you already have the Xbox account connected and you simply want to play Fortnite on PC, just sign into this same Epic Games account and your progress will automatically appear. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Xbox Fortnite account to Epic Games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.